Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want client to book you automatically, choose a time slot and even pay online, GoDaddy Website Builder makes that very doable in 2026. The key is understanding how GoDaddy appointments works and setting it up correctly from the start. So most problems happen because people skip the setup logic, availability, services, notifications. We will avoid all of that. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to set up online appointment in GoDaddy Websites Builder 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing, make sure appointments is enabled. So appointments are parts of websites plus marketing. So from your dashboard, um, log in to GoDaddy, open website, this one, select your website. So we have here one website. Select, as I said, the websites that you want to do this thing in it, and then if you don't see the appointments, go to add feature and enable appointments. So some plans requires upgrading. Okay, GoDaddy will prompt you if needed. Okay, so inside websites plus marketing, click appointments. As I said, go to settings and do this before adding services. So this is where most of the magic happens. So in appointments, go to settings, go to availability, choose working days. For example, from Monday to Friday, set working hours, add breaks, and set buffer time between appointments. So buffer time avoids back-to-back exhaustion. Okay, so for example, session for like 60 minutes, buffer like 15 minutes. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.